Shriram Ambulance, ICU ventilator services with 24/7 availability in Rishikesh. Rapid ICU ambulance service in Rishikesh. Trusted ventilator ambulance for emergencies. Quick ICU patient transport Rishikesh. Leading ICU ambulance service nearby. Call at 600-916-002 or 700-917-002. Affordable ventilator ambulance at hand. Immediate ICU transport for patients. Reliable ventilator ambulance, fast response. Please like, share and subscribe Shriram Ambulance YouTube channel.